Egbert the Silly Corrected. The Tom Russell experiment retold by Adam. Egbert loved to paint pictures and shoot up with all the other eggs in the refrigerator. But one day someone discovered that Egbert was slightly cracked. The other eggs told him he had to leave because he was cracked. Egbert set off to some place that he knows he will fit in with. Egbert found a beautiful view and painted himself so he will blend right. Egbert thought he had a perfect place, but a tomato plant noticed his cracks, so he had to go down to the ground, so he jumped. He fell into a flower bed and painted himself to blend right in, but he got chased by a bee. Egbert saw something glimmer, so he climbed the fence and painted himself again to match the starry night sky. The following morning, Egbert got pushed off the fence by a cat and took a hard fall. He began to sob as it rained. Just then, Egbert sees something cracked that will change his life as an egg forever. Want to find out what he sees that changed his life forever? Check Egbert the Slightly Cracked out from the Hoover